Want to see how to make raised garden beds?
Well, we're going to show you right now.
Hi, this is Michael.
And Stefan from Sniping Rhino Ranch.
This year we've been trying to expand our gardens a little bit, so we have some raised garden beds like the ones behind us. We also have container gardens, and we also have some in-ground gardens. Out of all of those gardens, however, we like the raised garden beds best. And in this video, we're going to show you how to make them.
But before we do, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead related videos. That being said, let's go make some garden beds.
Okay, the first thing you're going to need is a few supplies. This will take a 4x4. We're doing ours at a 12-inch, so we cut 18 inches for each of the corners because we will dig down a little into the dirt to anchor this. So you need a 4x4 cut into 18-inch pieces. Also, you will need 3 1x12-inch by 8 feet boards, or 8-foot boards. 2 of these will be the sides that will give it an 8-foot long bed, and if you want a 4-foot by 8-foot, you can cut one of the boards in half. We are making one of those, and the ones we have already, that's the size we have, but we're also going to try making a 3-foot by 8-foot, so on 2 of them we did cut 3-foot sections so that we can do a 3-foot by 8-foot bed as well. So the boys have assembled all the supplies, so we will start building.
Up the planter boxes, and all in all, it was pretty easy.
Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and leave a comment.
Also, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead related videos.
This is Michael.
And Steph from Sniping Rhino Ranch, signing off.